Hi everyone, I am Preeti GK. Here I am going to talk about application of big data analytics. Content. Application of big data analytics. Application of big data analytics. Big data implementation in fast food industry, big data in banking sector, big data in media and entertainment, big data application in healthcare, big data in e-commerce, big data to ensure national security, big data in agriculture, big data in education, big data and cloud computation, and big data in digital marketing. Big data implementation in fast food industry. Using a populated database containing demographic, interest, and behavior, fast food companies try to bring changes in the food menu. They have all the information about their customer, which helps to design the marketing strategy and follow trends. When the queue is long, the data science application automatically shows only the food that can be prepared within a short time. Big data in banking sector. Using clustering techniques, banks can take important decisions. It can identifying the new branch location where the demand is high. Banking platform are digital now and all operation can done from home, which is which is a blessing of data science. Data science has made it easy to handle, store and analyzing this massive amount of data and ensure its security as well for the banks. Big data in media and entertainment helps to gather the information and demands of individual, identifying the device and the most effective time to view data for analysis afterward. Big data applications helps to set the AD target group for media companies. Big data application in healthcare enables Swift Manager to predict the required doctor at specific times and EHR to keep track of patients' records. Using digital devices, big data can monitor patients and send the report to associated doctors. Big data can evaluate symptoms and identifying many diseases at the early stages. Big data in e-commerce can collect data and customer requirements even before the official operation has started. Create a high performing marketing model and set a startup apart from the exiting and become successful. E-commerce owner can identify the most viewed products and the pages that appear the maximum number of view time. Big data and ensure national security. The governments collect the information of all citizens and this data is stored into a database for many purposes. Data science is implemented on these databases to extract meaningful information alongside a hidden relationship between datasets. Can evaluate the density of population in specific location and identifying the possible threatening situation even before anything has occurred. Big data in agriculture. Using big data, the whole purposes from harvesting to distribution process of agriculture products like paddy, wheat, vegetable and so on can automate the watering system of shrimp. Farmers can get enough time to concentrate more important factors. Enables the shrimp owner to use the same land for several purposes and data science application can generate production throughout the year without any interval. Big data in education can store, manage, analyze the large data sets that include student records. Maintaining security using big data is also quotable. Big data can make sure if the questions paper do not get leaked before examination. Using a resolution camera, video footage and image processing, big data can evaluate students' facial expression and can track their movements. Big data and cloud computation. Cloud provides the necessary tools to extract the required data. Businesses' key decision and objective are fixed by analyzing the big data. Managing big data includes the challenges of maintaining security, which is confirmed by cloud technologies. Big data is stored in the cloud server, and data science techniques are injected to find relational information. Big data in digital marketing. Analyze market, competitors, and evaluate the business goal. It can identify the opportunities as well. Can find the exiting social media users and sorry and target them based on demographic, gender, income, age, and interest. Data science used for possible retargeting customers and transform into loyal clients. Thank you.